To be a cowboy, it takes consistency and hard work.
To be a cowgirl, you have to be humble.
To be a cowboy means you gotta be punchy.
To be a cowgirl, you have to be persistent and teachable.
To be a cowboy is to live with faith.
To be a cowgirl means you never give up and you take on whatever life gives you.
To be a cowboy, you have to be tough and live on the edge.
To be a cowgirl, it takes hard work, tons of grit, and determination.
To be a cowboy means driving all night long with your buddies, getting 3 hours of sleep, and wondering what horse you got drawn for the next rodeo.
To be a cowgirl, it takes strength.
To be a cowboy, it takes integrity.
To be a cowgirl, you gotta be committed.